Are you ready to say hello like a native speaker? Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Rainbow Stuff. And as you remember, I'm Nadin. Last time we talked about our sessions Let's Talk, and today we will start Let's Learn with Nadin, and let's learn how to speak English together. مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم في قناتنا Rainbow Stuff. Today رح نحكي عن how to say hello in a casual and formal way. And we will start, رح نبلش with the first way. It's hi. In order to say hello, we will start with the word hi. So, it's a common way, and it's like a native speaker, and all it's one word, hi. Hi. Now, let's move on and see the next word. Okay, the next word is good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon and good evening. Good evening, which means صباح الخير أو مساء الخير. Afternoon and evening, well, in Arabic it has the same meaning, which means مساء الخير. So إحنا بنحكيها لناس ما بنعرفهم كتير أو لناس ما نعرفهم أبدا. So it's like a formal way more than a casual way. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. So like I'm going to say the person I met for the first time. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Nadin. And also, this is the second way. Now let's move on and see the third way in order to say hello. Okay, we will say morning, 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 which means صباح الخير, but in a casual way, في طريقة غير رسمية. So for example, you're going to say morning, hello dude, إنه مرحبا أو صباح الخير, مرحبا يا صديقي. So it's for a person you really so close to, and it's for sure a casual way. Now we will move on and say hey, 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 and for sure it's more casual way than a formal way. Hey, hey, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Hey, hey, and it's a casual way. إنه هي طريقة أكيد غير رسمية وهي بين your friends, between your friends, بين أصدقائنا. Then we have what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, which means إنه it's like a question, what's up, إنه شو الأخبار, بس for sure إحنا هون ما بيكون قصدنا فيها إنه شو الأخبار. It's like hello or hey or hi, what's up, إنه كيفكم, شو الأخبار. And for sure it's a casual way, هي طريقة غير رسمية, and it's like between your friends. We will continue, but before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel Rainbow Stuff and watch me till the end. We will have more ways to say hello and hi. Now, the sixth way to say hello in English as a native speaker is how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? And for sure, it's a formal way, but it's not like for a stranger. No, it's for people you already know, but you are not so close. So, how are you feeling today? Now, guys, the seventh way to say hello like a native speaker, it's for sure, it's pleasure to meet you. It's pleasure to meet you, and for sure it's a formal way. It's not for your friends and someone you are close to. No, it's for example for strangers and people you don't know. You, which means أنا سعيد لمقابلتك. مقابلتك هي لناس أنت بتشوفهم لأول مرة أو ناس كتير غريبة عليك. So it's a pleasure to meet you, and hopefully I can meet you one more time. And these were the 7 most important way, in my opinion, to say hello like a native speaker. And we finish our video for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And of course, if you like our video and if you like me, please give us and help us by doing like, share and subscribe. And see you in the next video in the next week. Bye bye.